We'll guide you through how to put two videos in one screen on CapCut. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in CapCut. So to get started, go and open up the app. You can do this with an existing project or create a new one. It's probably easier if you create a new one and we've got a blank slate to start with. So what we're going to do is go and press new video, and you want to go and select the videos you want to do this with. So we scroll down, I want to select this and this, like so. Then you can press add in the bottom right. So here they are. So at the moment, they're going to play one after another, which of course we don't want. We want them playing at the same time. What we're going to do though is just go and change the aspect ratio. At the moment, it's a 16:9 format. You can keep it like that if you want to, but personally, I want to scroll along at the bottom. Make sure you don't have anything selected, by the way. If you do, press the back button in the bottom left. Then find aspect ratio, and you can choose a ratio you want. I want 9:16, like so. Do is go and have these videos so they're over each other. So I want to select this one here, the second one, and then you want to go and find the option for overlay, just here, tap on it. Now you're going to go and see they're still playing one after another. So tap and hold on that overlay and then drag it. You want to drag it all the way to the front like so, and make sure that they start at the same time. When I go and start playing it, they'll go, but you can't see the other as it's being hidden. Now what you want to do is come to the end, make sure they end at the same time. Put the cursor here, tap that top video like so, select it, then press split, and you can press delete. Then you select the other one, press split, and then you can press delete. They end at the same time. Now what you want to do is go and tap one of the clips in the timeline, and then you can go and drag that down like so. And then you can go and press the other, and you can go and drag that up like so. Now you can go and leave it so we can see some background. If we go and press the back button in the bottom left, you can press background at the bottom, scroll along to find it, and we can go and choose a blur. You could choose a color. It's going to be up to you. Now you may not want to have a background, so you can always go and pinch like this, and you can go and fill up the background. So I'm going to go and tap both of them. Then I'll just go and keep resizing it until we get the outcome that we want. And that is almost perfect. Now we can go and play them back, and you'll go and see they're both now playing at the same time. So you can go and continue editing, and when you're finished, press export in the top right. That's it.